Hello folks, welcome back. This is Orgonite Austin. We have a video about, so on the 4th of July, I implemented some stuff in Las Vegas, Nevada, and it's the same things. It's the cleaners, slightly modified, and anyway, 15 days after implementation of it, Las Vegas got a tremendous amount of rain. Can I prove anything? No. But it is very ironic that the 15-day mark of when I began to now is there. Let's watch this video. And I do apologize that I do not have any audio for this. My stuff was not connected properly, so I'm going to read their lips and tell you what they're saying. She's saying, "Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Check this out. We've got rain coming." But we're going to get to the good stuff. There we go. So that's Las Vegas, Nevada, Las Vegas, on the 20th, which is actually 16 days after I implemented it. Lots of water. And here they're showing more videos of rain. It's great. And she's talking about the rain, and there's a dog in the rain. Yes, she does talk about the dog in the rain. That's very important. So, Mount Charleston, there's Las Vegas. Mount Charleston is right there. So they got an inch at 0.4 right there next to Las Vegas. And I think that's all that we can really get from this video without any audio, except for the forecast, which has 50% chance of rain, 50% chance of rain in Las Vegas. And usually that does not happen for an entire week. So can I prove anything? No. Just look at the dramatic changes in the weather, the ironic timing correlated with my predictions, and rehearse yourself of this. Science does not prove anything, it only disproves. The other words are escaping me right now, but it's something like, you can't prove anything, but once you've got a mountain of data that says, hey, every time I do this, that happens, what are you supposed to think? All right, enjoy. It's Orgonite Austin. I love you. Pause for dramatic effect. Here we go.